In the heart of the wilderness, where ancient trees whisper secrets of time, walks a creature as old as memory itself. The elephant, majestic, wise, and deeply emotional, is more than just the largest land mammal. It is the keeper of stories, the sculptor of landscapes, and a mirror to our own humanity. If you've ever been moved by nature, if you've ever wondered what true loyalty, intelligence, and emotion look like in the wild, then don't just watch, subscribe now and journey deeper into nature's soul. Here are what you need to know about these gentle giants. 1. Intelligence beyond imagination. Elephants are often said to be as smart as dolphins or even chimpanzees. But their intelligence doesn't shout, it whispers, through action. These gentle giants can solve complex problems, use tools, and even work together to achieve tasks. In the wild, they've been observed digging wells during droughts, using branches to swat flies, and coordinating with others to rescue calves from mud traps. Their brains weigh over 5 kilograms, 4 times more than ours, and their cortex, the thinking part of the brain, is highly developed. 2. A society of strength and compassion. In elephant society, it's not survival of the fittest. It's survival of the kindest. Herds are matriarchal and deeply bonded. Calves are raised not only by their mothers but by alamothers, younger females who act as aunties and nannies. They touch trunks to greet each other, wrap them in affection, and comfort the distressed with soft rumbles. Males leave the herd around age 14, but they often form friendships, called bachelor pods, and travel together for years. If this surprises you, imagine how much more we don't know. That's why we bring you stories like these. Subscribe, so you don't miss the next one. 3. Masters of Memory. The living GPS of the wild. When the earth is parched and the rivers run dry, it is the elephant matriarch who remembers. She recalls distant watering holes from decades past, locations passed down from her mother and grandmother. Herds have survived drought simply because one old elephant remembered where water once flowed. In one famous case, a matriarch led her herd across 200 kilometers of arid land, straight to a hidden spring she hadn't seen in 20 years. That's not instinct. That's memory. That's wisdom. If you're enjoying these true stories from nature, subscribe for more real-life wildlife wonders. 4. The depth of elephant emotion. Elephants cry, they laugh, they grieve. They mourn their dead like we do, sometimes even more. When a member of their herd dies, elephants stand quietly around the body. They touch it gently with their trunks. They may return to the bones for years, caressing them in silence. Some even show signs of depression, refusing food or isolating themselves for days. A young elephant once tried to wake its dead mother by nudging her for hours. This is more than behavior. It's emotion. And it's a side of the animal kingdom we must not ignore. Let's protect creatures with hearts this big. If this moved you, please share this video with someone who loves nature. 5. Earth's ecosystem engineers. Elephants don't just live in nature, they shape it. As they move, they clear paths for other animals, knock down trees to open up grasslands, dig wells in dry riverbeds, and disperse seeds over huge distances. Their footprints become small water holes during rains. Their dung fertilizes the land and gives life to insects and plants. Remove elephants, and the entire ecosystem begins to collapse. If you love powerful wildlife stories and want to see more of nature's untold wonders, then don't wait, subscribe to our channel now. Your support helps us bring these majestic moments to life.